Hello, everyone. I'm Jay, and this is War Table, a 3D printer and painting channel for war games. I have printed here a miniature from the Maker's Cult. I've had a subscription with them for about 3 years now. I really enjoy their prints. They usually always are supported very well. Um, this one I printed in translucent green anicubic resin for the actual horse and man part. The base I did on a FDM printer, a Elegoo Neptune 2 with Elegoo PLA Plus black, and it came out pretty good. I cleaned up some of the stuff on there after the fact, but I started painting this with some gray primer just to get it started. The first thing I did was to paint the base a Eshin Gray by Games Workshop. I do like this color for, it's not a base color, but you can use it as a base color. It covers very well, as you can see there. It's a good start for that uh, stone work. It's a great gray for stone work. So that's why I chose that one for that. Now I'm doing the horse in white. Now for white, Uthern Gray is one of the best colors for basing with. It'll give it that little bit off white look is what you want. So because nothing's a perfect white usually, you save that for the highlights. I did a couple layers of the white. It's what you want to do. You don't want to keep working the white. You want to just throw it on there, let it dry. No matter how it looks, it will look better on the second or third coat. So do a couple coats, get it nice and smooth, and that's what you want. The Retributor armor goes onto the greaves of the horse and the armor. The Xandri dust goes on the coat of the man. It's a good desert color. I'm also painting them up to be the Cadian look. Let's see, Bugman's Globe for the skin tone. It's a good base for that. Corvus Black for the mane of the horse and the tail of the horse and the hooves of the horse. Okay. Castilian green for the armor. Mephiston red for the pomp on his head. That's a great base color for red. Grey Knight Steel. I've chose to go with this instead of Leadbelcher. I'm just tired of using Leadbelcher. It's something different. I put this on the sword, the chest plate, the pieces on the tack. Also, I did the gloves in Rhinox Hide Gray and the boots, or Rhinox Hide. The Reichland flesh shades for his face and for the horse's armor. That'll bring all that stuff out. Don't worry if it pulls up a little bit like it did back there. You can go over that again and clean that up a lot later. There you go. Nice little close up. What's going on right now with it? And as you can see, I don't get too crazy about being perfect with everything till it gets towards the end. Seraphim Sepia, that's a shade for uh, the coat. You could also probably use this on a few other things if you wanted to, just depending on what you want to do. But yeah. Also, I used some Apothecary white to shade that white. Antonian Camo shade, that's a good shade for the green. And that's going to start tying everything in together there real good. As you can see, everything's starting to really look a lot better now and come together. You could almost use this table ready at this point. I mean, it's not perfect, obviously, but it would work. This is going to be a 2-part video, so if you like this video, like and subscribe and put it on your notifications so you can see the next part. In the next part, I'll be doing the base and finishing up the detail work on the actual model itself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.